keep them calmer. If you got it. I'm so stoked about that sunflower honey. We get a chance to get our bees a little pollen, and let me double check to make sure we're taking the correct hive. My college girlfriend, like it's weird. Like, she's a weird one, you know. She's like, she's the one that's like the first person I've ever dated that's like I still friends with.
Yeah.
You know. Like, I saw on her Facebook the other day that she was she was married, and I was like, oh, she's married again. You know, she's been divorced twice. So I said, oh, I'm just like, yeah, married, congrats. And then she's like, I didn't take it off from the last time I got divorced. I was like, oh my gosh, that's too funny. And then I felt bad because I was like, that's hysterical. Your life, your mess of your life is hysterical to me. All right, so she says, don't take the hive on the right. So we're taking the one on the left. Brian wants to try and tinker with it. It's probably very overgrown back there. Yeah, so we're taking the one on the left. Hey Andy, you want to back the truck up to it?
What?
You want to back the truck up to it? Or we're going to carry it that way?
The hive?
Yeah, where is it? Oh, geez. I missed it. We are close then. Okay, cool. Yeah, good God. How do we get up there now?
You think I drove past it that far?
Yeah, I did. These look like sunflowers. Are these sun? Did she plant sunflower? Oh, they do. Well, then I'm gonna break them. Wait, she said not the one on the stem, but the. Do we even have bees in here? Let's not open it. Let's just kind of close them up real quick. Do we have anything to close them? Sweet. Yeah. We don't need to see in there till we get back. Although, let's take a look. Let's inspect her hive right here. Oh, this looks good. Surprise. Do you have a tool?
No.
Shoot.
We got a knife.
Maybe that'll work.
We'll try.
There you go. We don't have a tool. She's got 2 deeps on here. 2 deeps. Oh, it's just a 2 deeps. Looks like. I don't think we're gonna get that. Oh, you think you can get that out? Look at you.
That's fine.
Yep, got it.
Just a sec for you.
Got it. Whoa, jeez. Look at all that.
Yeah, they're doing all right.
They got food. They're good. They got.
A lot of drones.
What? Whoa, that's not good. Cap honey. Cap honey. No brood. What is that?
Nectar.
No, here, look at that. What is that?
Nectar and a little bit of brood. A little bit of honey.
I don't see any eggs. But they must have some somewhere. That's nectar, isn't it?
Yeah. Nectar on the back too.
Grab that last one. I think they look pretty good.
90% honey on my side. What's your side?
Capped honey. Nothing in the box. You're standing right in the danger zone. You want to?
Yeah.
Let's just put them back, I guess. You think you want to look at the bottom?
I think they're alright.
I think they look okay.
Look pretty good to me. They're not gonna starve to death.
Yeah.
They're big though. There's some big ones in there.
That home.
There you go, guys. Work hard for it.
All right. You can't strap it or on the bottom here. You got to, well, we're gonna have to. Why don't we set it on the set your strap right here on top, put it across, and then what we'll do is we're gonna set it right on top. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We can just lift it and then we can bring it over the top, like. Okay. Circle down.
Boom, ants.
Okay. It'll make Holly happy to know that she does have a good hive here.
Crank it. Oh, didn't pull enough slack out.
I think it's too much. I think we need to start it over. That's better. Yep. Perfect. Let's map our path real quick to make sure we know we got solid footing. Oh, I can go backwards. I think we're clear. They're coming out now. Say hi. All right, ready? Why don't I just carry it? That was harder than I thought it would be. Okay. Are you going to tie it down?
Yeah.
This is mine or yours? I think this is mine. Yeah. I had this vision I was going to fall. When I was carrying it down, I was like, oh, this isn't smart. Don't need the towel. You may dump your smoker out.